I hereby declare 502 corrections officers of the Corrections Basic Recruit Course Class 21-2022 Saligtala recognized effective this day.
Let us celebrate this day with rejoicing and thanksgiving to the God Almighty. Again, a pleasant good morning to all.
Tulad ng tala, kayo ay magsisilbing karagdagang liwanag sa dilim ng pangungulungan.